What's going on, coffee fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best cold brew coffee makers in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these coffee makers, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first cold brew coffee maker we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Coffee Bear Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Next up at number 4, we've got the Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Coming in at number 3, we've got the County Line Kitchen Cold Brew Mason Jar Coffee Maker. Next up in our number 2 spot, we've got the Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Takeya Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Alright, coffee fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comment section which cold brew coffee maker you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.